So in question 16, now there is a diagram there. The diagram and the wording are actually irrelevant to the question. It can all be answered just to reference this triangle. The rest of it's just a contrivance to arrive at this. So what we've got here, find the size of angle GEH, that's this little angle at the top of the scalene triangle there, in terms of theta and phi. Well, the three angles in the triangle should add up to 180. I've not left myself an awful lot of room. So the angle supplementary, this angle in here, is going to be 180 minus phi. And this angle at the top, which is the angle you want, will be 180 minus the sum of these two. So minus the 180 minus phi plus the theta. So I'll have 100, well, I'll multiply the brackets first. I'll have 180 minus 180, but plus the phi, but minus the theta. So that's going to be phi minus theta for the first part. Second part, show that EG, the line down the inside, show the line EG is given by this expression. Well, what have we got? So we'll be using that thin triangle there. I'll draw it again here. So using the sine rule in this triangle because we've got the opposites. EG, angle opposite theta, so EG over the sine of its angle should be the same as, now in the length GH that's just called D, so I'll call it D over the sine of its angle, which is sine, that'll be theta, phi minus theta, and then straightforwardly EG, take that across and multiply, sine theta over sine. There wasn't a lot to that. And in part C, show that EF is given by this expression. Well, for EF, I can use the right angle triangle at the side. I've got EFG. It's a right angle triangle, that's phi, and I know the length of EG now. So I've got the sine of that angle, so I can simply say, I'll just put it here, I can say that EF over the one I just worked out, EG, is the sine of the angle opposite the EF, is the sine of phi. So EF should be EG sine phi. Already worked out EG, that was D sine theta over sine phi minus theta. Multiply that by sine phi, and there you are. That's it done. There's question 16.